In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in Weebly. If you're building a site on Weebly, your font choices play a huge role in how professional and readable your pages feel. The good news is that Weebly makes this quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can confidently update your typography and keep everything consistent. First, open your site editor. Log into your Weebly account, head to your dashboard, and select the site you want to work on. Click Edit Site to launch the editor. Give it a moment to load the page canvas and the editing tools. You'll know you're in the right place when you can see your page preview in the center, with the Weebly controls around it. Next, go to Theme, then choose Change Fonts. You'll find Theme in the top navigation bar of the editor. Click it, and look for the Change Fonts option. When you open it, a panel will appear that controls the typography for different parts of your site. This is where all your font settings live, neatly organized so you can make targeted changes without affecting everything at once. Now, select the text type you want to adjust, like headings or paragraphs. Headings are typically used for titles and section labels, while paragraphs cover your main body text. Picking the right text type ensures you're changing only what you intend, such as all H1 headers or your standard paragraph copy. This helps your site stay consistent and avoids the need to edit fonts block by block. Then, choose your font style. Browse the available font families and pick something that matches your brand and is easy to read. You'll see your changes preview live on the page, which is helpful for checking spacing, balance, and overall feel. If the panel provides options like weight or size, you can fine-tune them to improve hierarchy and readability, but keep it simple. 2 complementary fonts are usually enough for a clean, cohesive look. Aim for strong contrast between headings and paragraphs, and prioritize legibility on both desktop and mobile. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Publish. The Publish button is usually at the top right of the editor. This pushes your new fonts to the live site so visitors will see the updated design. After publishing, take a quick look at a few key pages to confirm everything displays nicely. If anything feels off, you can return to Change Fonts and make small adjustments until it's just right. That's it. Your Weebly fonts are updated and polished. Thanks for watching, and happy